Subject name electrical circuits, in short ECI. Subject code 22324. Branch electrical engineering, semester 3I. Topic or unit 1, single phase AC series circuit. Myself, Lad AK. Introduction. Introduction of unit 1. In this unit we are studied first point, generation of alternating voltage and voltage representation of sinusoidal quantities, and point 2, RLC circuit element, its voltage and current response. Point 3, RL, RC, RLC combination of AC series circuit, and subpoint in this point, impedance, reactance, impedance triangle, power factor, active power, reactive power, apparent power, power triangle, and vector diagram. Point 4, resonance, bandwidth, quality factor, and voltage magnification in series RL, RC, and RLC circuit. We studied the first point, generation of alternating voltage. Generation of alternating voltage means the voltage which changes polarity at regular interval of time is known as the alternating voltage. The one complete cycle of alternating voltage of alternating quantities consists of 2 half cycles, and direction of half cycle changes after every particular interval of time. The machine which generates the alternating voltage is known as the alternator. The alternating voltage having two types, generated in two ways or two types. म्हणजे अल्टरनेटिंग व्होल्टेज हे दोन प्रकारे जनरेट होतं. पहिला पॉईंट आहे त्यातला, बाय रोटेटिंग द कॉईल इनसाइड युनिफॉर्म मॅग्नेटिक फील्ड ॲट कॉन्स्टंट स्पीड. सेकंड वन इज by rotating the magnetic field around the stationary coil at the constant speed. The next point, the phasor diagram or phasor representation of sinusoidal quantities. Phasor diagram can be used to represent two or more stationary of sinusoidal quantities at any instant in a time. They can be either voltage, current, or some other alternating quantities, but the frequency of all them must be same. All phasors are drawn rotating in anticlockwise direction. The phasor representation of sinusoidal variable, in which that is the mathematical expression, we have discussed the following point: AC circuit analysis, all sinusoidal variables, currents and voltage assumed to be same frequency. In general, arithmetic operation of sinusoidal function are not convenient. They are identities. For example, two sinusoidal of same frequencies, x of t is equal to a cos in bracket omega t plus phi bracket complete, then another equation y of t is equal to b cos in bracket omega t plus phi bracket completed. Then above two equation we will be add or sum of two equation. Then finally a cos phi plus b cos phi cos omega t minus a sin omega plus b sin omega in bracket complete sin omega t is common. And other hand side the sum is taken. Total z of t is equal to x of t plus y of t is equal to c cos of omega t plus phi is equal to cos theta in omega t minus sin theta sin omega t. Comparing above two equation, then a cos phi plus b cos phi is equal to c cos theta is equal to cr, and a sin phi plus b sin phi is equal to c sin phi is equal to cr, which denoted by cr1 and cr2. Then cr square is equal to cr square 1 plus cr square 2. Then bracket a cos phi plus b cos phi omega square plus a sin phi plus b sin omega square. Then cos divided by sin means tan. Hence tan is equal to tan of cr by cr. Then by formula a sin phi plus b sin phi divided by a cos phi plus b cos omega. Solving equation we get c in under square root of cr square plus cr. Then theta is equal to tan inverse of cr divided by cr. The addition of two real sinusoidal functions are above carried out using alternative approaches. Thank you.